Previously in Journey to the Death of the Universe, during the episode Life on Earth, we talked about how the first life on Earth started and how everything around us, including you and me, came into existence. Today, we're going to explore how all of that will end. Our Earth, the solar system, galaxies, and the entire universe in the fate of the universe. There are many theories about how the universe might end, like the Big Crunch or the Big Rip. But today I'll be sharing a theory of my own. I'll talk about the other theories in a different video, so don't forget to subscribe to catch that as well. As we near the end of our story, the fate of Earth and the solar system is unavoidable. In about 5 billion years, our sun will become a red giant, growing bigger as it runs out of its fuel. This massive change will cause temperatures to rise greatly. The outer layers of the sun will expand, swallowing Mercury and Venus. Earth, which was once full of life, will face extreme heat. The sun's radiation will strip away Earth's atmosphere, boil its oceans, and make it uninhabitable. Life, which thrived for billions of years, will end. In the end, the solar system will turn into a cold, empty space, with the sun shrinking into a faint white dwarf, surrounded by the lifeless remains of the planets. Looking beyond our solar system, we see that galaxies will also face an end. Over trillions of years, as stars burn out, galaxies will start breaking apart. Some galaxies will crash into each other and merge. While this might create new stars for a short time, star formation will eventually stop. The Milky Way and Andromeda galaxies, for example, will collide in about 4 billion years and form a new galaxy. But over time, galaxies will darken as stars die out. Without new stars, galaxies will fade, and the universe will become a shadow of its former self, filled with dark, lifeless remnants. After these changes, the universe will enter what's called the Dark Era, a time of silence and emptiness. As the biggest stars explode in supernovae, they will leave behind black holes, places where gravity is so strong that even light can't escape. Mid-sized stars will become red giants, lose their outer layers, and cool down into white dwarfs. Smaller stars will gradually fade away. In this era, there will be no light, as the stars that once lit up the universe will have disappeared. Only the remains of old stars will linger in the darkness while the universe gets colder and emptier. When all the stars are gone, the universe will enter the age of black holes. Black holes will dominate, swallowing any matter still around. With no stars left to form new objects, the universe will be full of these massive black holes. As they collide and merge, they will grow larger and consume everything nearby. The universe will turn into a dark, eerie place, ruled by these giant black holes, warping space and time as they interact. In a future where only black holes exist, they will start to consume each other. In the end, the last black hole will form, absorbing everything in its path. But this black hole will eventually reach a breaking point. The intense energy and gravity inside it will cause a massive explosion. This explosion will mark the end of the black hole, but it will also spark a new cycle, similar to the Big Bang. The remains of the old universe will spread out, creating new matter and energy, leading to the birth of new stars and galaxies. From the ashes of the old universe, a new one will be born, continuing the cycle of creation and destruction. As we think about the fate of Earth, the solar system, galaxies, and the universe, we see the repeating pattern of destruction and rebirth. Even though everything may end, there's always the possibility of a new beginning. This is just a theory, and remember, I'm not a specialist, so my idea may have mistakes or go against what modern science says. If you know something I missed, please comment and correct me. I love reading your feedback and learning from your ideas. As we wrap up our talk about the universe's ultimate fate, I want to thank the ideas and theories that inspired mine. Concepts like black hole dominance, the cyclic universe, and the Big Bounce offer exciting ways to think about the cosmos. My theory builds on these ideas, offering a new view of how the universe might work. Thanks for joining me on this journey. So, this is the ultimate fate of the universe. With this episode, we end our series, Journey to the Death of the Universe. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. Don't forget to subscribe for more series, and I'll see you in the next one.